So in this video we will create a website in just 5 minutes without coding or programming and publish freely. So what we will do, firstly we create account in WordPress, second select a theme in WordPress, third adding a website, and fourth update and preview, fifth publish a website, and sixth we will share website on various social media. So let's start it with the topic. Welcome to Jadubaba Tech. Go on Google search bar, search WordPress login, come down and click on login wordpress.com. Go to another account, use continue with Google. Select your account, tag hex, wait for a while. Site is about. So you can write anything. Let's take tech, then go. My site is called. You can write here tag head and choose a design. So there are the multiple themes offering by the WordPress. You can choose any one of them. At the top we can see URL is not available. So click on that. Choose the first one and it is free and continue. Now let's select any of the theme. We choose it. Let's choose this one and you can choose the text from here. Text style. Let's see first, second, see third. After choosing your text you can continue. Now it's again asking for payment, so go down, choose for free, choose then with the 3 GB storage space, and our site was creating. Welcome to your website. Do next, preview your site as you go, next, and start. So there is a something went wrong, so correct it by click upper 3 points, click on desktop site. So it's now corrected. Click on sites, go on pages, wait for a while. So there is a home page, click on 3 points, edit. Now you can see your site, how it will be look like. You can edit whatever you want. Now click on complete setup and choose the first option, then continue. Again choose the first option, $0, and launch your site. Now click on site, pages, and edit. Now your site is now again open. Now you can edit according to your choice. Click on update. After update, click on preview. You can see your site, how it will look like. You can choose on screen like tab and phone. So it will look like this on mobile. You can see your menu, only home. You can add your blogs and other pages also. Back to our site. Now let's see how you can add a heading. Click on plus, then search heading. Now you can see heading, click on heading. Now you can see H2 level heading. Write tag heads or whatever you want. So then align center. Now click on update and then preview after updating. Now visit your site, wait for a while. Now you can see how your site will be look. Now your site is ready. You can add another theme or change how you can or how you want to look your site, and you can share your site. It will appear on Google. Click on 3 point on the above to share with your friends and family members. Click on share. Now you can share your site on many social media platforms And this is the end of the video. I worked so hard, so hope you like it. Subscribe Jadubaba Tech channel, press the bell icon so you will get notification of my video, and thanks.